to buy a home in today's real estate market, when you are interviewing real estate agents for your biggest investment, you gotta know some of the things that the industry, real estate industry has been secret for a long time, right? Do you know that if you're looking to buy a home, the real estate agents, have you ever wondered why you are looking at homes online and then the real estate agent send you an email? Those are the same homes that you already found online. Or worse, you found the home online first and then you call your agent and the agent couldn't even find the home that you are looking for. Or like the agent I couldn't find it. Or sometimes the agent refused to give you access to homes that you already seen online. So real estate industry has evolved so much. Today is August 2018. As technology becoming more and more advanced, the buyers can simply go online and have access to all homes that match their criteria. Sometimes even the real estate agents couldn't even find those homes, right? So here in our team, we are focused on what's best for the client. So some of the innovation that we've done here every day is that for exclusive only for our VIP buyers clients, we are giving access to our clients' homes that you yourself, if you're thinking of buying a home, we have access to homes that you cannot find online. Homes that are hard to find online. So some of the examples, including bank foreclosure, short sales, corporate-owned homes, rbid homes. rbid homes basically is all the good deals, certified by expert good deals, come with 12 months warranty, and it comes with a buyer satisfaction guarantee, which basically said that if you're not happy with your home purchase for any reason in the next 24 months, you call us, we buy it back for free, right? Either we'll buy it back or we sell it for free. So these are some of the deals for our VIP clients have access to deals like this. So these are, you can see there's foreclosure, bank-owned properties, new construction, unlisted properties. These are homes that's not available online. For sale by owners, builder closeouts, distressed sales, and other highly motivated sellers, property exchange, rbid homes, corporate-owned homes. So these are deals that every day, here in our team, every day, my partners and I, every day we are looking for deals like this that match your home buying criteria. So most real estate agents, the way in our real estate industry, the way it works is that the agents have to spend 70-80% of their time prospecting, looking for clients, right? So real estate agents typically have to cold calling, door knocking, 70-80% of the time basically looking for deals. Here in our team, the real estate agents in my team, they spend 100% of our time actually looking for deals like this. Every day we are looking for deals that match your home buying criteria that's hard to find online. Once we find the homes that match your criteria that you cannot see online, what we do, we call you every single day. We call you on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Each time we find homes that match your criteria, exactly match your criteria, that's not available on the internet. When we call you, we show you homes every day. That's how we beat out other buyers to homes. Because majority of buyers today, they're waiting for the emails for the agents, right? The real estate agents email them homes, and then they're looking at homes on Sunday and Saturday. Okay guys, so to request your free list of homes, for you to have a custom list of homes that's not available on the internet for free at no cost, there is no cost and there is no obligation to buy a home, all you need to do, call 626-789-0159. Again, to request your free customized list of homes that match your criteria that's not available on the internet, call 626-789-0159. Now, when you call our team, this is how it's going to happen. When you call, my admin staff team is going to answer the phone. We're going to take your message, and then we're going to call you back. When we call you back, we're going to set up an appointment to meet with you. When the reason we have to set up an appointment to meet, we cannot just email this home to you. As you can see, there are thousands of homes. If we just email this to you, your email will crash. My email won't even, I don't think we can even upload. It's just too big, you understand? And it's a waste of your time if we just simply email those homes. So the reason we meet, it takes about 20-30 minutes, and the reason we meet is so my team and I understand exactly what it is that you're looking for. because this program is designed to save you money. We don't want you to waste a lot of your time running around town looking at homes that doesn't match your criteria, or worse, you missing out on homes that match your criteria. So either way, we don't want that to happen. So because of that, we want to do a good job servicing you and your family. We are here to serve you and your family. Because of that, it takes us about 20-30 minutes typically for us to do a good job finding out exactly what you're looking for. Once we know exactly what you're looking for, then every day my team and I is going to go to work looking every day, looking using eyes, not some email random thing, right? Looking for homes that match your criteria, and then we're going to show you homes every day. Once we show it to you, if that's exactly what you're looking for, using our proprietary ultimate offer package, we're going to design a very aggressive offer to make the seller accept it. And we are so confident in our package that we guaranteed in writing for our VIP buyer clients that you save at least $10,000 when you buy your next home. Alright guys, looking forward for the opportunity to serve you and your family on your next home purchase. All you need to do, call 626-789-0159.